So 1 or 2 minutes na guys yung pinaka-runtime nung ginawa nating bots dito na generate nitong si DeepSeek. Ay guys, first time natin gamitin itong si DeepSeek AI. Isa ito sa mga pinag-uusapan ngayon. Kagaya siya ni ChatGPT pero mas advanced yung learning model niya dito. Discuss natin dito guys sa video natin today. It's my first time na i-access ito. Try din natin dito integrate yung kanyang response doon sa trading. For example, dito kung paano niya gagawin. Like for example, we'll ask kung paano i-set up yung trading bot. So, gagawin natin yan dito kay DeepSeek. Pero bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. So as of now, dito tayo ngayon kay DeepSeek. And gagawin ko lang siguro dito guys is just an experiment guys. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito. Let's try to message itong si DeepSeek. Like for example, hey DeepSeek, can you create AI trading bots parameters for Ethereum and then on spot grid worth 20 USDT. Ayan, so let's try creating an AI trading bot for Ethereum on spot grid with 20 USDT budget. Sabi dito, okay, so let's try to analyze this one. Requires careful consideration of several parameters. Given the small budget, the strategy should focus on low risk, high frequency trades to maximize returns while maximizing potential loss. Analyze natin to guys kasi we've been using AI trading bots based from our experience, so right now this is like an AI generated overview perspective ng AI. So sabi dito, grade type, spot grid, trading pair is Ethereum USDT and kailangan dito is 20 USDT. Grid levels niya 5 to 10 dahil small budget nga lang daw, fewer grid, levels are recommended to avoid excessive fees. Ito, kailangan nating maunawaan to guys na if like for example 10, 5, 20 USDT, mas makipot or mas konti yung gagawin niya dito na grid levels. Price range, set a narrow price range around the current Ethereum price. Example, 5% of the current price. Maybe upper or lower, negative or positive 5% from the current price. Let's check yan mamaya. And then grid profit per trade 5% to 1%. This should be adjusted based on market volatility. Stop loss 5%. Malalos ka ng 1 USDT. Take profit 10%. Magkaka-profit ka naman ng $2 dito, If ever na magkaroon ng drawdown, so 2% ng USDT mo. Trading condition, let's check. Yun, let's try to execute this one. Ang sabi niya dito sa parameters, since spot grid to guys, kailangan tumaas ng price action, So 5% ng current price and 5% ng below price guys, So let's go here, Ethereum USDT. Search lang natin dito tapos sa spot. Ayan, ETH/USDT. Yung official link naman nito guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. Or pwede nyo scan yung code na yan, yung nasa screen na yan if napapanood nyo ito sa desktop, Pwede siya sa cellphone and meron din ako tutorials na ito. Gamit yung cellphone sa end part ng video. Share ko na lang. So dito guys, Ethereum USDT yung pairing natin. And we can see sa momentum dito sa mini chart, So sabi dito, meron siyang recommendation na stop loss 5% and take profit 10% guys, So let's go here. Again, itong video natin today guys is just for experimental ideas and I'm just sharing my experience dito kung paano magre-respond yung DeepSeek based from my personal preference guys, So again, it's very volatile ang crypto market. Much better you have risk management, psychology, experience, better understanding and napaka-importante yung risk management dito guys. And again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang. It does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. And I'm just sharing some experiment lang dito sa end ko. Yun, as mentioned dito, set a narrow price range around the current price ng Ethereum, more or less, or 5%, maybe 5% up sa grid and then 5% na down doon sa lower grid, no? Let's integrate this one. So let's go to trade, tapos trading bots, and then create bot guys, no? Pwede naman yan gawin dito sa tools, ayan, and then dito sa spot grid, no, ito. So select lang natin tong spot grid and then manual. So dito guys, merong price range, which is the lower limit, 5% yung range nyan. So try to measure this one, 5%, maybe around this area. Ayan. So dun sa mismong support nya, around 3015. So let's set up this one. And then sa upper limit naman, ayan, 5% din. Let's measure this one. 5% is nasa 3,350, no? Ayan. Grid quantity nya, ano yung recommended dito? Grid levels 5 to 10. Let's try to set up muna guys, no? Kasi dito natin makikita kung magkano yung kailangan na USDT. So let's say for example 10 grids, 10 USDT. Let's say 20, 16. Since yung gagamitin natin dito guys is the 20 USDT, let's try to adjust dito. Try natin 25, masyadong mataas na. 27 na kailangan. 22, 21, 18. I think I'm good with this one, 18 USDT. And sa mga nagtatanong din gamit spot grid na walang leverage, ito yung binigay sa atin na idea. 5% upper limit, 5% lower limit, no, ng current price. So ganito yung magiging setup guys. Sa stop loss naman tayo dito magkakaroon ng analysis, no. So sa risk management, good thing merong risk management. So na-mention dito 5%, no. Maybe let's set na lang din yung SL, maybe 5%, 3,036. Ayan, around 5%. Ayan, so punta lang tayo dito sa baba. Tick natin tong stop loss. So SL natin dito is 3,036, no? 3,036. And then take profit natin, which is 10% yung recommended dito. Ito. So let's just measure this one from here. 10%, 3,510 or 11. 3,510. So ganito na yung magiging setup ko dito guys. And kailangan 18. Setup ko lang dito 19. And ito yung pinaka idea guys, no. Binibigyan tayo dito ng like an example. And isa sa na-observe ko dito with DeepSeek is that comprehensive yung binigay niya na answer. As mentioned, kailangan mo pa rin i-determine dito guys kung meron siyang mga discrepancy na binibigay dito. Like na-mention din yung risk management, trading conditions, napaka-importante, AI and machine learning parameters. Ayan. Execution parameters meron din. Nandito na pala sa baba yung ginawa natin. And backtesting, no, napaka-importante. Historical data, make sure you have an experience. Ito, it happens lang na nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo, kaya we just contested itong price. And I think na-retest yung pinaka-support zone. Napaka-importante din yung monitoring and adjustment guys. Real-time monitoring, it's very important if you have like trading bots, no. So parameters optimization, like if you observe dun sa grids and sa price range na na-setup mo, profit targets based on recent market behavior. Like for example, it's good to set spot grid, since spot grid is magkakaroon ka lang ng profits pag tumaas yung presyo. If ever na bumagsak, that's the time na malolos tayo. So grid levels, ganito na yung example configuration. Ito na pala. Pero yun, na-setup na rin natin. And nagbigay lang naman siya dito ng example sa price range guys. So currently yung price ni Ethereum is nasa 3,200. So ito is just an example configuration. Final notes niya, napaka-importante yung risk warning. Trading with a small budget like 20 USDT is highly risky and losses can occur quickly. Ensure you are comfortable with the potential loss of doon sa ginamit mong USDT, no. So choose a reliable platform that supports grid trading and has low fees. Continuous learning, it's very important para sa refining ng strategy based nga doon sa market conditions and sa performance ng ginawa mong bots or grids, guys, no? So I would say this is like comprehensive. You can ask, you can like, for example, can you refine my stop loss since it's too narrow? You can just ask naman. And we'll see, guys, no? Ito yung pinaka-idea dito, and hope you get some insights. We'll see once I create this one, confirm. And yun, you can check the details dito. Tingnan natin, guys, kung ano magiging results neto. I'll keep you posted na lang siguro maybe in the next coming days, no? Kaya abang-abang sa ating YouTube channel, and gamit itong si DeepSeek, isa sa mga pinag-uusapan ngayon. And titingnan natin kung paano magre-respond or kung ano magiging results dito. Currently runtime niya, ayan. And then the pending profits makikita natin dito, PNL, and then I think dito makikita yung PNL curve if ever na meron na siya ditong buy and sell na ginawa, guys, no? So you can stop, you can modify the parameters, and you can see details dito sa pinakababa, guys, no? Ayan. So yun, hope you get some insights dito, guys, and tingnan natin kung paano mag-workout itong ating experiment dito. So 1 or 2 minutes na, guys, yung pinaka-runtime nung ginawa nating bots dito na generate nitong si DeepSeek. And meron na tayo dito kahit paano pinaka-profits, guys, no? So this is like ito yung USDT na ginamit natin. And as per checking sa chart, ito yung chart ni Ethereum right now. Ayan. So we'll see, guys, no, dito. And ito yung suggested ni DeepSeek. And then again, guys, it may vary doon sa pinaka-price action kung kailan mo siya sinet, since the spot grid will happen or will be executed based sa current price, no? If ever na mataas yung presyo tapos bumagsak siya, that's the time na malulos ka dito. So that's the downside nitong spot grid. And make sure you understand yung support zone. That's the important for me, no? Nasa tingin ko mas okay yung reward if ever man sa support zone ako nakapag-set up ng spot grid. So right now, ito yung updated sa ating grid na generate dito ng idea itong si DeepSeek. And meron din ako idea na ginawa, guys, kasi ang dami nagtatanong din neto before. Gamit yung cellphone sa AI trading bots, AI agents is like uploaded na yan sa ating YouTube channel. Sa mga nagtatanong how to withdraw, how to cash out, gamit yung GCash, gamit yung cellphone ninyo. Lalagay ko na lang dito, guys, sa screen. And see you sa video na yan, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.